Hello again. I'm Dr. Stephen Davidson, your sexual integrity coach located in Wilton Manors, Florida. Welcome to another episode of Adult Sex Education. Self-worth, self-confidence, and self-esteem are related concepts but have distinct meanings. Today I'm going to describe for you how they are different and how they affect your sexual happiness. First, let me thank you for subscribing to this channel and liking my videos. I appreciate your comments and your ideas for future topics you want me to address. Self-esteem, self-confidence, self-worth. The key word in each of these phrases is self. The most important relationship you will ever have in your life is your relationship with yourself. In every experience in your life, good and bad, the one person who will consistently be there is you. So much of my work with clients is helping them examine their negative self-talk. All day long, you might doubt yourself, judge or criticize yourself. The bad things we say to ourselves about ourselves leave us feeling sad and afraid and contribute to some of the bad choices we make in sexual or romantic relationships. These voices in our head are often the result of verbal or physical abuse or bullying that happened early in life. We integrated the messages of those who were unkind to us, and now they are part of our core beliefs about ourselves. Our beliefs about ourselves as sexual beings influence our sexual behaviors and the ways we relate sexually to others. Sexual dysfunctions like erectile disorder, arousal disorders, or orgasmic disorders in both men and women, anxiety related to sexual performance, and dysphoria about our gender or our bodies are all influenced by negative thoughts we have about ourselves. Self-worth, self-confidence, and self-esteem are related concepts with distinctly different meanings. Self-worth refers to the intrinsic value and sense of worthiness that a person believes they possess. It is the belief that one is deserving of love, respect, and happiness, regardless of external factors or achievements. Self-worth is about recognizing one's inherent value as a human being. When we have self-worth, we don't settle for relationships or sexual experiences that are inconsistent with what we believe we deserve. We seek sexual experiences and relationships that fulfill us. Self-confidence, on the other hand, is the belief in one's abilities, skills, and competencies. It is the assurance and trust in oneself to successfully perform tasks, overcome challenges, and achieve goals. Self-confidence is built through experience, practice, and positive feedback. Our confidence in our sexuality results from engaging in sexual behavior and relationships that help us gain clarity about what we want and don't want. It is the pursuit of what enriches our lives as sexual creatures and avoiding those individuals or situations that make us feel worse. Self-esteem is the overall evaluation and perception of oneself. It encompasses both self-worth and self-confidence. It is how a person feels about themselves, their self-image, and their self-perception. Self-esteem is influenced by various factors, including personal achievements, relationships, societal standards, and internal beliefs. We don't come into this world hating ourselves. Our negative attitudes about ourselves are the result of believing too much in the opinions of others, both individuals and institutions. My first book, Sexual Integrity: Finding the Courage to Be Yourself, was a result of my work with individuals and couples who were struggling to overcome sexual shame and find greater intimacy and sexual fulfillment by accepting themselves as they are. We are never happy in relationships where we can't be ourselves. If they don't love you the way you are, then they don't love you. So many of our sexual desires and thoughts are part of our innate sexuality, just part of our human sexual experience. When we were shamed for being human, we integrated that shame and concluded that our sexual thoughts, desires, and behaviors must be bad. In summary, self-worth is about recognizing one's inherent value. Self-confidence is about believing in one's abilities, and self-esteem is the overall evaluation and perception of oneself. I'm Dr. Stephen Davidson, the Sexual Integrity Coach. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will subscribe if you have not already. Please check out my website at sexualintegritycoach.com. There you will find links to both of my books, Peaceful Mind, Peaceful Life, the Guidebook to Happiness, as well as Sexual Integrity, Finding the Courage to Be Yourself.